Good day to you, sir.
And to you, I want to buy a TV.
Of course. Do come in. Let me show you around.
Oh, what's this? Oh, what kind of TV is this? This channel is boring. Can you put something else?
That is a microwave. See?
Wow, what a realistic TV. But actually, I need a bigger one. Like that. Ah, now this one is better. I think there's something wrong with the reception. Let me check. I don't like this TV too much. It's making me sick.
Sir, that is a washing machine. Please go to the TV section over there. I hope you've learned how TVs work now.
Wow, look at that. What a big microwave. And the chicken looks so delicious.
Suppandi and Suppandi. Suppandi and Suppandi.
Oh no, the microwave has caught fire. Help, help. We need water.
Stop it! Stop it, you fool! What are you doing?
That microwave is on fire. But don't worry, I'm just going to open this washing machine so we can get water and put it out.
Stop it! You're going to burn the shop down! Get out!
My, these TVs are so dangerous. No wonder they are called an idiot box. But Suppandi is not an idiot. I'm just going to listen to music.
Suppandi.